Good morning everybody, welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. In this video, I'm going to share with you my gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free homemade blueberry pancake recipe. We have quite a large family, so that means we eat a lot of pancakes. So feel free to scale this recipe down if you don't want a whole bunch of pancake batter. I started by making some millet flour. I took some whole millet, I don't know if they're kernels or seeds or just little bits of millet, and added 2 cups of it to our blender. Then I measured out 2 cups of our freshly made millet flour into a mixing bowl. We had a little bit of millet flour left over from our previous baking endeavors, so I used that up first. Then I used our freshly made flour. And it took some doing, but I finally got all of the flour out of the blender. Then I added 3 teaspoons of xanthan gum to the mixing bowl. Then, using a half teaspoon, I did 3 scoops of baking soda. Then I did the same thing for the salt, 3 half teaspoons. Then I added 6 teaspoons of baking powder to the mixing bowl. Then I mixed all the dry ingredients together. Then I put 1 cup of pumpkin seeds in our blender. Then added 2 cups of water. Then I blended them together to make a very rough approximation of pumpkin seed milk. Then I did the same thing with the sunflower seeds. 1 cup of seeds, with 2 cups of water, blended together to make sunflower seed milk. Then I repeated the process again to make millet milk. While both the pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds did fine, the millet stuck to the bottom of the blender, so I had to scrape it out with a spatula, which wasn't very fun. Then I added 6 tablespoons of coconut oil to the mixing bowl. And then this part is a little bit different. The recipe calls for 6 eggs, but we use a lot of egg yolks in our baking, so we have a whole bunch of whites left over. So instead of using 6 eggs, we did 4 egg whites and 2 whole eggs. But you can use just 6 regular eggs and it'll turn out fine. And then for a bit of sweetener, we did 4 droppers full of liquid stevia. Then all the ingredients were in the mixing bowl, so I mixed them all together, but this recipe makes a whole bunch of batter, so a little bit splashed out, but thankfully it didn't overflow more than a little bit. Then I got the frozen blueberries out of the freezer, and started making pancakes. Sometimes with this recipe, the batter can get kind of thick with just the seed milk, so feel free to add more water if you feel your batter is not liquidy enough. This recipe isn't just great for blueberry pancakes. We also thoroughly enjoy chocolate chip pancakes with the same recipe, as well as just regular plain pancakes. So feel free to doctor it up as much or as little as you'd like. Not only are these pancakes super delicious and healthy, they also are very nutrient dense, especially with all the seeds we added to the batter. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Thanks for watching!